3,000 people in the stand, so you can now buy tickets to our games. And I think that's going to be a lot of fun to have people in the house, especially after going through all the All-Star protocols. I'm not sure there's a better, safer, with our, did you see our
You're
drone,
in the turn lane.
Our sanitation drone in the building? Have you seen any of that video?
I have, and I didn't believe it. I thought it was like make-believe. It's pretty cool.
No, it's unbelievable. In fact, Mike, next time you need a shower, come to meet me at the building.
So it shoots like what? Like fluids on you that you can...
I'm not going there with you. I'm not going there. I read the FCC rules. There is a cleaning device that is amazing because in an hour it can clean 17,000 seats versus having it done by hand. It is spectacular, and it is convenient, and it is fun to watch a drone. Who doesn't love a drone?
I hear you, brother. Who doesn't? All right, Steve Cohen is with us. And by the way, the Hawk statement, Carl, that came out about a half hour ago, just to get clarity. Yeah,
you got to do something.
Increasing his rehab activities were reviewed on March 19th, and then they'll update the status.
What are you doing?
Pretty good. All right, Steve Cohen, real quick. Travis Schlenk, he's not Trader Schlenk or Trader Vic, but he does make moves. You know, we're going to be doing something with the trade deadline.
You know, historically we have.